Hello everyone, welcome back to another how-to video. Today we're going to be telling you guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use a flip phone. Because these are the modern phones that everyone finds cool now. So, let's get into it. But first, you gotta know how to tell the difference between a flip phone and a smartphone. A smartphone here has a touch screen and it's way too, modern and cool and whoa, yeah, who needs that? A flip phone is modern, it's cool, slick, thin, way better than a smartphone ever wishes it could be. So, let's get straight into learning how to use it. The first step to learning how to use a flip phone is actually learning how to turn it on. So, let's try and find the power button. Is that it? No. Is that it? No. 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 How do you turn this stupid thing on? What about this? There you go. It's turning on now. Whoa, this is tech from the future, alright. Now your second step is to charge it. As you can see, the charging port's right there. Let's find a charger that's compatible with it. What about this one? This one should work. Gonna get in there.
One.
Of course it doesn't work. No, I'm not, no. Alright then, since that cable didn't work, what about this one? Come on now. Work. Nothing works with this. Well, I guess if your battery dies, just get a new battery. Step 3 of using your flip phone is making calls. All you gotta do to make calls is just press the numbers on the keyboard. You can go crazy with your combinations.
1.
Now, let's call. CDMA service not available. This thing doesn't work. Well, I guess you gotta find other uses for this thing, aside from its main purpose. Now, go out into the public and use your flip phone in front of everybody. You'll impress everyone with your cool new flip phone. But don't forget, flip phones don't just make calls, they can also scrape snow off your car. And because this flip phone has a camera, you can take photos. Do you want to save or erase this masterpiece? I'm gonna save it. Alright, before I put phone service on that phone, I gotta see if they still support CDMA networks. Aw, son of a... Well, if Verizon doesn't support CDMA networks anymore, flip phones must be old. Let's see when the first flip phone was made. 1996? I'm using technology from 1996? This isn't futuristic. This is just trash. Alright, we're just gonna turn you off, put you on the shelf, and never touch you again. I'm done. So what's the lesson here? Don't use flip phones. Use smartphones. Unless, of course, you're a 5-year-old. So, anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.